Good morning, my dear students. Myself Navneet Kaur and I am going to teach you English language in your 5th class. So today let's start with the language chapter, interjections. So open page number 122 of your book, chapter number 27. It was about the interjections. Do you know what is the interjection? So let us start. An interjection is a word that expresses some sudden feeling. Feelings may be happiness feelings, sad feelings, excitement feelings, curiosity feelings, any type of feeling should be there. We as a humans have had to show so many feelings. So when we express some sudden feeling after some particular incident or after some particular happening, then that is called the interjection. Here you see from the slide there are the words which show that interjection category. Wow, hey, ouch, oh no, oops, oh, hurrah, alas, so many are there. Interjections may express the following thoughts. Here, oh, wow, this emoji, face emoji I have to add in the slide. That first one you will see in excitement, the face of person was surprised when you notice something which is surprising for you. How you keep your face like this? Oh, such a excellent thing, wow. How it happens means oh and wow, 3 words which show the surprise. Okay, and the second one is alas. You will like this when you sad, this type of face expressions. So sorrow, alas word shows the sorrow and your face according to the sadness. Next emoji, your third one is bravo. When you try to boost someone, like for example, when you did well in your exams or when you win a cricket match in your school and what the audience and your parents said that bravo, means you are going to give your approval to anybody, that is bravo. Bravo word you will use as an interjection to uplift someone, to motivate someone. And the fourth one is hurrah. Hurrah word shows the happiness. And the face emoji see just when you give a smile or when you are happy. Means hurrah word shows the happiness. And the next one is hush. Hush means when you give command to be silent. And the last one, oops, when you did a mistake. For example, you are going through your drawing room and your hand touches some flower vase and it fell down, and what will you immediately, what is your reaction, what is your sudden feeling? Oops, I did a mistake. Means oops word you will use where you did some mistake. So next one is ouch. Ouch word, when you pronounce that ouch word, any guess? Yes, when you feel pain. For example, I touch this and it hurt my elbow. For example, I am feeling pain in my head. Means I said ouch, I am feeling pain. Ouch word you will use when you feel pain. When you got some injury or you are facing some disease, then use the word ouch for the pain. And the next one is stop. Here you will see from the emoji, stop means stop actioning, anything stop action, that we will use that stop word for stopping the particular action. So these are the words which are come under the interjection category. And now come to the homework. First part, read the following sentences and insert suitable interjections in the blanks. Means here you will add an interjection in the blanks. For example, first sentence is what an intelligent boy. Means you will show your surprise. Here you will add wow, what an intelligent boy. And in second one, this is a fine shot. For example, in any game, cricketer you will say for a cricketer that nice shot, means there you will use bravo. For the approval you will use bravo. Same in this manner you will do the other threes also. And in B part, learner's drill, for each person listed, write something they might say using the interjection given. The first one has been done for you. Means the person in the library, interjection is hush. It means hush, I am trying to read my book. And in second, stop, you will use that stop word and make a sentence of it. For example, stop, don't run on the road. Same like this you will do other 4 ones also. So this is all in your interjection chapter. Thank you.